Hey everyone, today I will show you how to search for drafts on Instagram, and here's how it is done. In this video, I will walk you through how to find drafts posts on Instagram. There are different kinds of drafts, including posts for your feed or stories. If you have saved a post as a draft, here's how to locate it. When you are about to post something, for instance, a picture from your camera, if you choose to save it as a draft, you simply need to exit the post without sharing it. To access the draft later, the next time you try to post, look next to the recent section, where you should see a drafts option. If it doesn't appear, refresh Instagram and you should see it. For story drafts, after recording a story and choosing Save as Draft, you can find it by tapping the story icon again. If you still can't locate it, refresh the app. Once the draft appears, you can either post it or delete it. And that's everything you need to know about how to search for drafts on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.